Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony X. Oh, how are you guys doing today? I actually have a fall haul for you guys. I did a little bit of Nordstrom shopping, not a whole lot. And I also did some Target shopping, and then I have a couple of random things. So basically it's going to be like a fall fashion haul. And I'm excited to do this. I got very inspired with this fall look today. So I'm doing like a fall eye, fall lip. I have my little pumpkin orange top on. And I put some fall looking flowers in the background. Let me know if you like this setup. I'm kind of feeling this setup. I've tried three or four different backgrounds. I'm kind of feeling this, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. Also, let me know about the lighting, and if you want me to do a tutorial on this fall makeup look and which palette I'm wearing and which lipstick I'm wearing, then let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do a fall makeup look for you guys. Okay, so this is the little set. I say set. This is the top from Nordstrom, Free People top. I told you it's like a very cool looking, kind of like a sweatshirt. I say sweatshirt, but it's a sweater, but it feels like a sweatshirt. It has like these bubble sleeves with these really fitted, what do you call it? Like an armhole. Very fitted with a bubble sleeve, super cozy. Off the shoulder, I got a small. I could have went with an extra small, but I'm pretty sure the extra small was sold out. And it's pretty long, so I basically kind of front tucked it in my denim. These are like my favorite denim, so I don't know where the denim's from. I'm pretty sure I usually get my stuff. My jeans usually come from American Eagle. Has my favorite jeans. So these are probably from American Eagle, but I don't remember. But the shoes are so darn cute with this. I wish I could go back further and show you, but like, can you guys see these boots? They're stinking. They're so stinking cute with this like outfit. I wish I could show you better, but it looks like so fall. So this is probably my favorite because of course it was more expensive. It was from Nordstrom. The top, Free People, and the booties, Vince Kimono booties. So I will try to link both of these for you guys. Alright, let's go ahead and do our little cute tops from Target, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the Target little sweatshirt in like the pumpkin color. Normally I would not wear this bra with it, so ignore the bra. I'm trying to put my hair in front of it, but it is a crop, as you can see. I'm wearing the medium. It is cropped, and I do have kind of like mid-rise, high-rise jeans. So honestly, I would just have to kind of pull it down a little bit. It is pretty low cut, and it is kind of off the shoulder. So I would definitely wear a bralette with mine, but this is the bra that I had on and I didn't feel like changing. So wear a bralette if you pick this up, or a sports bra would be cool with it. I do have a couple of strapless bras, and I also have some pasties that will work with it as well. But just know, it is cropped, it is low cut, and it is off the shoulder. So if you're not into those things, this would not be your style. But this is totally, you guys, if you've been subscribed to me for a very long time, you know this is my jam. So I'm really loving it, and I know I'm gonna love the green color as well. But again, super cute. I have same jeans on, and of course my Vince Kimono booties. Again, I think these boots, even though they're snakeskin, like the color is like a snakeskin color, they will go with pretty much everything as far as you're wearing like a neutral, or maybe I should say a solid. I feel like they would go with everything. So happy with that. I'm always so out of breath when I travel clothes. Haven't done a fashion try-on for you guys in a hot minute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go put the green one on, and I think I'm gonna put black jeans with the other shirts because I think that would be really cute. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this one is the Target top. Again, I wouldn't wear this normal bra with it. I would wear a really cute bralette, pasties, or a sports bra because it is pretty low cut, it's cropped, and it's off the shoulder. So you do what you will with it. I love the puffy sleeves with the tights around the wrist. I think that's the trend because most of the shirts I picked up are that style. So again, super cute. I love the olive. The olive is like so me. And I'm getting ready like in my bedroom, so I'm like having a run in here. So I'm like really out of breath. And then I just put on my favorite pair of black jeans. These are like so comfy. They're from Abercrombie & Fitch. They have these really cute hems. I wish you could see them. They're like ripped at the bottom and they look so cute with these booties. You guys, I can't even tell you. They're so freaking adorable with these booties. I wish you could see them. So that is what it looks like. I feel like it's longer in the back than the front. So that's why I have to like tug at it a lot. But I think it's cute. Love the outfit. Love the booties. Like I said, sorry I'm so out of shape. My heart doctor was like, you gotta start working out more, girlfriend. I was like, I know. But actually I'm running back and forth drinking a Starbucks s'mores Frappuccino, and OMG, if you have not tried that, it is amazing, okay? Sorry, I'm not promoting Get Healthy here on my channel, but I'm just being real with you guys. I'm running back and forth drinking a Starbucks s'mores Frappuccino, and I need to work out. Okay, so I'm going to try on the rest of my Target shirts, and I will come back and end this video. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this shirt is from Target as well. And the way this top is made, you can wear it off the shoulder like I'm wearing it now. And I just have it with my Abercrombie & Fitch black jeans that I've been wearing with the little they have like a frayed hem on the bottom with my Vince Camuto booties that I got from the Nordstrom sale. Top again from Target. I think the brand is, I forgot the brand. I will link it. But what I was trying to say was, you can wear this top, and it has like really scrunchy sleeves, which you can pull them up like that. You can wear them down. Obviously, if you're gonna have one off, I would probably scrunch this one up to make them a little bit more even. But there's a tie in the back. You can see that. There's a tie in the back. So if you want it more like a regular shirt, I would just say tie it kind of tight in the back. And then that's gonna give you more of a, like a regular top look, if that makes sense. So it's just gonna give you a regular top. But if you do it loose, like I did in the back, then you can wear it off the shoulder, which is my preference. Okay. Have one more top from Target, and that'll be the end of our fall fashion haul. Alright, I'll be right back. Hey guys. Okay, so I wasn't lying. I do have a Starbucks Frappuccino. It's s'mores. It's delicious. But I wanted to wear the glasses, again, from Twisted Eyewear. The Tarte. I was going to say shirt or top in Target at the same time. So the top from Target, again, very cute. I love the olive color. But I'm thinking about going back and ordering the rust because I love those types of colors. I found out these jeans right here are from, like I said, they're from American Eagle, which actually, American Eagle, I feel like makes the best jeans for me personally. They just fit my body like a glove. So love American Eagle jeans. And I just did like a front tuck with the top, and of course got my booties on. So yeah, I'm out of breath and we're fixing to end this video. Okay guys, that is the end of this fall 2020 fashion haul. I'm a poet, I didn't even freaking know it. Making sure I don't have any dark burgundy lipstick. If you want to know what lipstick I'm wearing the Fenty, what's it called? The dog, something Fenty, liquid lip. I'll try to link that down below. But yeah, I told you guys I would do a tutorial on this fall look. If you guys are interested, comment down below. If you guys want to see some more fashion from me, I love fashion. Is my other passion. I'm not trying to rhyme, I'm being like dead on serious. Like, I feel like if I wasn't a YouTuber, I'd probably be a fashion blogger because I love fashion so much. I love it just as much as beauty, if not more. So if you guys want to see more fashion, let me know. I always have fun filming these videos for you guys. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Michelle. Please hit that subscribe button and be part of our Lashes Tony XO family. We would love to have you here. And you can click the notification bell and you get notified for future videos. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. I would really appreciate it. Leave me some comments down below so we can chat, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Don't look at my jiggle, you guys. I haven't exercised. So hi.